Guys, today we will read an amazing story of faith, love, and obedience to Allah. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam worshipped Allah with a thankful heart every peaceful morning. That night, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam had a special dream from Allah as a great test. When he woke up, he had full trust in Allah's command. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam told his brave son Isma'il alayhi salam about the dream. Isma'il alayhi salam gave a beautiful answer. "O my father, do what Allah has commanded." They quietly prepared for a journey, just the two of them. They set out together toward the place Allah had chosen. They walked for many days through hot deserts and rocky paths. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam told Isma'il alayhi salam that doing this is for Allah's pleasure. But wait! Shaitan saw their journey and wanted to stop them. Shaitan came in the form of a man and whispered, trying to make them scared. But Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam gave a strong reply. "We are obeying our Allah's command." Shaitan tried to play tricks and fill his head with doubt. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam fought back. He sought Allah's protection and ignored him. Shaitan didn't give up. He appeared again on the next part of their journey.
This time, Shaitan tried to make him angry about the test. But Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam stayed calm and patient. It was Allah's command.
Shaitan tried to whisper more lies. With strong faith, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam rejected him completely and kept walking. Shaitan made one last big attempt to stop them. With strong faith, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam rejected him completely and kept walking. They finally reached the special place Allah had chosen. Together, father and son built the altar of stones. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam hugged his son with so much love. Isma'il alayhi salam showed total trust and said, "I am ready, insha'Allah." Isma'il alayhi salam lay down with peace and full trust in Allah. Prophet Ibrahim's alayhi salam heart was sad, but he knew Allah was watching. Shaitan watched from far away, completely defeated. He could not stop them. With a trembling heart, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam prepared to carry out the command. But just as he tried to fulfill the command, a voice came from the sky. "O Ibrahim, you have fulfilled the dream." Miraculously, a beautiful ram appeared, caught in a nearby bush. Allah accepted their obedience. They sacrificed the ram instead of Isma'il alayhi salam. Allah praised Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and gave him a great reward for his faith. We learn that true obedience to Allah always brings a beautiful reward. And that is why Muslims remember this day every year on EidAlAdha. We share meat with our family, friends, and those in need. Muslims all around the world celebrate together as one ummah. So sisters, what important lesson did we learn from this beautiful story today?
We learned that having full trust and obedience in Allah always brings the greatest reward. And on EidAlAdha, we should share meat and love with our family and those in need.
Exactly, obedience to Allah is the greatest success.